In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide slides in Canva. If you're working on a presentation or a multi-page design and want to temporarily skip a page without deleting it, hiding a slide is a quick, non-destructive way to keep your file tidy while you focus on what matters. Think of it like putting a placeholder or draft off to the side so it doesn't show up when you present or export. Start by opening your project in Canva. Once you're in the editor, look toward the area where your pages or slides are displayed. Depending on your screen size, you'll see the row of slide thumbnails below your canvas. These are the small previews of each slide in your design. This is where you'll select the slide you want to hide. Move your cursor over the specific slide you'd like to hide. When you hover over that thumbnail, a right-click opens a context menu with several options. In that menu, look for the option labeled Hide Page. Click Hide Page, and you're done. Canva immediately marks that slide as hidden. You'll notice a small visual indicator on the slide thumbnail, often a muted or slightly faded look, sometimes with an icon, so you can tell at a glance that it won't appear with the rest of your slides. What does hiding actually do? When you present your design directly from Canva, hidden slides are skipped, so your audience won't see them. When you download your design, hidden pages are typically excluded, which keeps your output clean and intentional. This is perfect for keeping alternate versions, notes, or works in progress inside the same file without cluttering your final delivery. A quick tip to stay organized: give yourself a mental cue about why a slide is hidden, like draft, backup, or client only. You don't have to rename anything or change your layout. Just remember that the hidden slide is safely parked and won't interfere with your flow. If you change your mind later, you can reveal it again from the same place where you hid it, and it will return to your slide sequence as normal. That's all there is to it. Open your project, locate the slide thumbnails, hover over the slide you want to set aside, right-click, choose Hide Page, and let Canva keep it out of your presentation or download until you're ready to use it. This small tweak can make a big difference in how clean and confident your final work feels.